We have to find a common denominator, which means I need this to be cut into the same size pieces as this. So how I can do that is just put a line here, or I can multiply, and that's what you're going to be doing most of the time. So I had a problem that started out like this. I need to find out how I go from 2 to 4 in multiplying. And this is just a tip here. When I'm adding fractions with unlike denominators or adding mixed numbers with unlike denominators, I like to write it vertically or up and down so that I have room to the side, you'll see. So I've got 1/2 plus 3/4, and I know I need this to be in fourth size pieces. So 4 could be my common denominator. So all I have to do is say, how do I go from 2 to 4 in multiplying? Well, let's just multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. The reason why I have to do that is because I don't want to change how much this is. I can't change how much this is because then I change my number, and I can't be changing numbers like a crazy person. So what I'm doing is basically multiplying it by 1 because the number over itself is just 1. It just equals 1 whole. So since I did that, any number times 1 is itself. So I didn't change that 1/2 at all. I just changed how many pieces it's cut into. So by doing this, all I'm doing on my picture is doing that. I'm changing the size pieces. That's all I'm doing. So now that we're realizing that, I multiply by 2 here, have to multiply by 2 on the numerator. So now I've got a 2/4 plus a 3/4. My denominators are the same now, so I can just add my numerators. 2 plus 3 is 5/4. And I know that's a really easy example, but if you can do it with an easy example, you can do it with a hard example. It doesn't matter. You're doing the same things. Don't let it scare you. You're smarter than numbers. I promise.